Welcome to Management Made Simple. Hi, and today I want to talk to you about the confidence conundrum. What exactly is it and how do you cultivate it? You see, confidence is a word we often hear, whether it's the context of entering a new sporting competition, starting a new job, stepping into a leadership role, or launching a new business, or simply navigating life's challenges. We're told that confidence is vital for success, that it's the secret ingredient that can propel us towards our goals and help us to overcome obstacles. But the question is, what exactly is confidence? And more importantly, how do you get it if you're not naturally confident already? Well, confidence is the belief in your abilities and judgment. It's the assurance that you can handle whatever comes your way, whether it's giving a presentation, making a tough decision, or facing an unfamiliar situation. Confidence isn't about being perfect or knowing everything. Instead, it's about trusting yourself to learn, adapt, and to persevere in the face of challenges. Now, confidence manifests itself in various ways, from how you carry yourself to how you interact with others. It's seen in the way that you speak, the decisions you make, and even in the risks that you're willing to take. Now, confident people tend to be more resilient, better problem solvers, and more willing to step out of their comfort zones. However, that's not to say that they're immune to failure or self-doubt, but they don't let those things hold them back. Now, while some people seem to be naturally confident, confidence is something that you're not born with. It's a skill that can be developed over time through experience, self-awareness, and practice. So, here are 3 key factors that can contribute to you building confidence. Number 1, experience and competence. Now, confidence often grows from experience. The more you do something, the better you get at it, and the more confident you become. So, for example, the first time you give a presentation, you might feel nervous and unsure. But after several presentations, you start to feel more comfortable and confident in your ability to deliver your message effectively. Number 2, positive reinforcement. Now, receiving positive feedback and encouragement from others can significantly boost your confidence. When people acknowledge your strengths and successes, it reinforces your belief in your abilities. Number 3, mindset and self-talk. Now, your mindset plays a crucial role in confidence. If you have a growth mindset, believing that you can improve and learn from your experiences, you're more likely to take on challenges and build confidence over time. Positive self-talk, where you focus on your strengths and achievements, can also help you develop a more confident outlook. But how do you build confidence if you're not naturally already confident? Well, here are 2 things that you can do. Number 1, start small and build momentum. Begin by setting small, achievable goals that stretch your abilities just a little bit. As you accomplish these goals, your confidence will grow. So, for example, if your public speaking terrifies you, start by speaking up in small meetings before gradually working your way up to larger presentations. And 2, embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you can improve and that your abilities are not fixed. View challenges as opportunities to grow rather than threats to your self-worth. When you encounter setbacks, remind yourself that they are part of the learning process. So, what can you take from all of this? Well, it's clear that confidence is a journey. Confidence isn't a destination. It's a journey that evolves over time. It's about believing in your ability to grow, learn, and overcome obstacles. Whether you're stepping into a new role, launching a business, or simply looking to improve in life, remember that confidence can be cultivated through experience, mindset, and practice. So start small, embrace challenges, and watch your confidence grow as you continue to push your limits and achieve your goals. The journey to confidence may be challenging at times, but with perseverance and self-compassion, you'll find that it's a skill that you can develop, harness, and rely on throughout your life. So take your first step, trust yourself, and remember that confidence is within your reach. I'll see you in the next video.